Christmas is soon, yeah. Summer soon, yeah. Yeah, you think.
My name is Johnny Goss. I'm the health educator at Georgia State University in the Student Health Promotion Department. Today I am going to make a video showing you how to make a Christmas wreath. I have red poinsettias and white poinsettia. I believe you call it white poinsettia as well. I have a bell, a small wreath with bells on it. I have 2 bells gold and a silver bell as well. And I have 2 doves that I'm going to put on this wreath. So I'm going to show you what I did to relax during the holidays. So this is the wreath I'm going to use. I've already put the bow on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the poinsettias, the doves, the golden silver bow, and the little wreath at the bottom with the bells. Okay? So I'm just going to take the zip tie and just stick it through here, through this bell, and connect it to the wreath. And I'm going to do the same thing with the gold bell. I'm just going to take the zip tie, stick it through the Christmas wreath, the middle part, I'm going to take the doves and I'm just going to connect them to the wreath and pull it through. I hope you can hear the Christmas music in the background. I love Christmas music. So I'm now putting the small wreath on at the bottom with the zip tie. I'm taking the red poinsettia and sticking it in and bending it up. And I'm taking the white one and putting it underneath. And I'll do the same for the other side. So I'm going to take the other red poinsettia and white poinsettia, put it on the side of the bell like I did on the other side and at the bottom. And that concludes making my Christmas wreath. So this is the end result. It's not Macy's, but it's Johnny's. So anyway, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and have a safe break. Thank you.